All right, so this video I'm gonna make it how to create the HubSpot from submission GA4 event in Google Tag Manager. So first of all, you need to create the trigger. So we are already create last video I will showing you. This is the generate lead trigger, and we are using this event name, this event name, okay. So now we can already install the Google tag Google tag using the Google Analytics measurement ID. Okay. So now click the new section, then click the tag configuration and selected the Google Analytics and selected the Google Analytics and GA4 event section. Then need to put the measurement ID. Measurement ID you need. I think you know how to find it. Last video we already mentioned. So there we are create already one constant variable. We can just selected this variable, click this plus icon, and I search in J4 and selected this one. And we need to put the name. Suppose this is the standard name. Then generate lead. Okay, this is the Google Analytics standard name for event, lead event. So then we can pass some information, parameter, page URL, page path also, page URL, also pass page path, okay, and send the value, page URL, and also page path. Then selected the trigger. The trigger is this one, the selected, and click the save section and create the name. Suppose we already create generate lead, okay. So now save it. So this is the process actually create the HubSpot from submission event on Google Analytics. So I think you understand. Thank you so much.